In the previous video, we studied the trickling filter and different types of high rate trickling filter. In this particular discussion, we are going to cover the design of standard rate and high rate trickling filter. These are the contents, that is design of standard rate and high rate trickling filter using NRC or National Research Council formula. The design of standard rate and high rate trickling filter using National Research formula is based on two factors. First is loading. Again, under loading, there are three different loadings criteria we have to consider. First is hydraulic loading, second organic loading, and third population based loading. And the second parameter is efficiency. So based on these criteria, the trickling filters are designed. Based on the loading criteria, the permissible loading on the standard rate trickling filter can be expressed in the following units. First is the hydraulic loading. As the quantity of sewage per hectare of surface area per day, it should be between 25 to 40 million liter per hectare of surface area per day. As quantity of sewage per unit volume of filter bed, in that case we have to consider 7.5 to 22.5 million liter per hectare meter of filter volume per day. Based on the organic loading, as kg of 5-day BOD per unit volume of filter bed will be taken 1000 to 2200 kg of 5-day BOD per hectare meter of filter volume per day, or as 15 to 30 kg 5-day BOD per 1000 meter cube of filter media. So these are the loading values that should be considered for loading for organic and for hydraulic loading. Based on the population, as a person of as a number of person or hectares of filter surface area, and the second criteria as a number of persons served per unit volume of filter media. So these are the two considerations under the population based loading. Then based on the efficiency of conventional filter can be expressed by the following equation evolved by National Research Council of USA. According to that, E in percentage will be given as 100 divided by 1 plus 0.0044 under square root small u. It can be also written as E into percentage is equal to 100 divided by 1 plus 0.44 under square root capital U, where E is the efficiency of the filter and its secondary clarifier in the percentage of applied BOD removal. So, and it can be calculated by Ci minus Ce divided by Ci into 100. Where Ci is influent BOD concentration, whereas Ce is equal to effluent BOD concentration, whereas small u stands for the organic loading in kg per hectare meter per day applied to the filter, called as a hydraulic loading, and the small capital U indicates the unit hydraulic loading in kg per meter cube per day. In continuation of the previous, if we equate these two values, that will be Ci minus Ce divided by I it will be equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 0.44 under square root small u. The above formula is applicable for both low rate and high rate trickling filter. The efficiency of single rate or the first stage of two-stage filter for second stage of two-stage filter, the efficiency will be given as E dash is equal to 100 divided by 1 plus 0.44 divided by 1 minus E in under square root W dash divided by V dash into F dash. It can be also written as E dash is equal to 100 divided by 1 plus 0.44 divided by 1 minus E under square root U dash, capital U dash. So it means that here capital U dash is nothing but the W dash divided by V dash into F dash, where E is the percentage efficiency in the BOD removal of the single stage or first stage of the two filter, and the small e denotes the E divided by 100. Whereas E dash indicates the percentage efficiency of second stage filter. W stands for the BOD loading of settled raw sewage in the single stage or the first stage of second stage filter in kg per day. Whereas V is equal to volume of first stage filter in meter cube. F is the recirculation factor of the number of effective passes for the first stage filter. So it will be given by 1 plus R divided by, in bracket, 1 plus, in bracket, 1 minus F into R bracket close, bracket raised to square. That will be equal to 1 plus R divided by 1 plus, in bracket, 0.1 R bracket close, once again bracket close, raised to 2, where F is equal to 0.9. So by putting the F value as 0.9, we are getting this second equation. So W divided by Vf is equal to capital U. It is the first stage unit organic loading in kg per meter cube per day, where R and R dash indicates the recirculation ratio for first stage and second stage filter respectively, whereas F and F dash are the treatability factor, which will be 0.9 for the sewage for first stage and second stage filter respectively, and W dash divided by V dash into F dash is the second stage unit organic loading in kg per meter cube per day. So in this discussion, we have seen the different values for the different types of loading that should be considered in the design of the trickling filter, whereas the efficiency of the single stage and two stage filter using NRC formula. Thank you for watching. The numericals based on this topic are available in PDF 3.10 and 3.11. Please download and watch it. Thank you for learning.